The leaf is one of the most important parts of a plant. Leaves produce food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. The leaves of different plants vary widely in size, shape, and color. If we are familiar with the leaves, we can easily identify a plant or a tree. Now, let's study about different types of leaves. Now, let's study first about papaya leaves. Papaya is possibly one of the most loved fruits in the world. Its fruit, seeds, and leaves are frequently utilized in many medicines. Next, we will study about eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus is a fast-growing evergreen tree. Its leaves are widely used for its medical properties. Next, rose leaves. Rose have alternative leaves which vary from simple to plumate or pinnate. The whole leaves or small leaflets are frequently more or less oval shaped. Rose leaves can be used to make tea. Its leaves are edible and they prevent various diseases. Now, let's study about guava leaves. Guava leaves are oval in shape and average 7 to 5 centimeters long and 3 to 5 centimeters wide. Guava fruit or leaf extract may have a positive effect on heart health by lowering low blood pressure, decreasing bad cholesterol, and increasing good cholesterol. Now let's study about banyan leaves. Banyan is considered a holy plant and is also known as the national tree of India. Banyan tree leaves have healing and antimicrobial properties. Its leaves are used for treating many diseases. Now next, bamboo leaves. Bamboo is a perennial evergreen plant which annual leaf exchange. A bamboo leaf is a very specific part of this plant that is rich in amino acid and many minerals that can provide a wide range of benefits. It is one of the most tropical things for health and beauty. The leaves can also be used for home decoration and a variety of crafts. Now let's study about neem leaves. Neem leaves are medium to large in size and 20 to 40 centimeters in length. Neem leaves are extremely bitter and have a grassy taste and aroma. Neem leaves is used in many medicines and in cosmetics. It helps in many diseases like leprosy, eye disorders, skin allergy, stomach upset, gum and heart diseases, etc. Next, we will study about mango leaves. Mango leaves are full of healing and medicinal properties. Mango leaves are believed to be rich in antioxidants and have health benefits. As per Indian traditional, mango leaves is to hang up for good luck. Now let's study about banana leaves. The banana leaf is the leaf of the banana plant which may produce up to 40 leaves in a growing cycle. The leaves have a wide range of applications because they are large, flexible, waterproof, and decorative. Next, peepal leaves. Peepal leaves has great medicinal value apart from religious. Its leaves contain glucose. Peepal leaf is a magical antidote when it comes to treating stomach and heart ailments. Now let's study about lemon leaves. Lemon leaves are small to medium in size. Lemon leaves are slightly oily with an aromatic and bright green citrus taste. Lemon leaves are rich in vitamin C. Now let's talk about lotus leaves. Lotus leaves are the coin-sized leaves. Its shape is like petals. They can reach 20 inches in length.